Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing this toasty warm makeup look. I love this look so very much. Kind of like a dark feminine energy, toasty warm makeup tutorial. So I hope you guys like this video, and yeah, let's just get right into the tutorial. Okay, so I know I look crazy right now because I have my hair in the heatless curls, but don't mind that. And let's just get started with Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Very toasty, very sexy, dark feminine energy. So now I'm gonna take out my hair. Y'all, last night I gave myself a blowout and then I put this in just so I can hold the blowout because I'm actually going to work soon. So I just wanted to film this before work. But let's see. It actually held pretty good, guys. Especially the way I sleep. I sleep crazy. Come on. Are you kidding me? I can't really see, but that's crazy. That's so cute. Oh my god, that is so cute, guys. Look at this. Heatless curls, y'all. I hope you guys like my new stuffies. I got the Scream stuffy, and then I got Zero from Nightmare Before Christmas, and those are my favorite stuffies ever. I just thought I'd let you know because they're in the background. So yeah, this is the final look. Okay guys, so this is the final look. This is my toasty makeup tutorial. Get ready with me. I hope you guys really like this video. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and y'all make sure to subscribe to my channel, please. I'd like to reach 100 subscribers. We're at 91 right now, so if you could please subscribe, I would love that. And yeah, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys like this type of video, and leave me a comment down below if you liked it. And yeah, that's it. I hope you guys have a beautiful, magical day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.